Project Wellness Series. We're looking at a new way to help you heal called pneumatic compression. It's a process pro athletes and fitness fans are embracing to treat a variety of conditions. ABC's Kana Whitworth gave it a try. Take a look.
It's time to improve the circulation in my walking sticks.
Sure, it makes for a good sitcom comedy.
I've got leg bags inflating.
But those leg bags are called Normatec, and they're no joke in the world of professional sport. It's been a game changer for athletes. Marco Nunez, head training coach for the Lakers, regularly uses the pulse compression device on all players.
I would not travel without a Normatec. I would not have my training room without a Normatec. It kind of gets the lactic acid out of the body, out of the legs, makes them kind of feel more refreshed for the next day.
And when it comes to injuries, some feel the Normatec makes the difference between playing the next game or sitting out.
Just recently we had a player with a ankle sprain. First thing we did was put him on Normatec, and we actually already saw the difference the next morning.
Athletes like Simone Biles, LeBron James, Carmelo Anthony swear by it. But it's not only for the elite. At the Unbreakable Gym in West Hollywood, there's a lounge area equipped with the devices for all members to use.
I don't want you leaving our gym feeling in more pain. I want you walking out here and go, oh my gosh, I feel great.
So you're telling me that if I were to use a Normatec sleeve, after I did my leg day, I wouldn't have to walk around like this?
You will feel not just an immediate impact, you'll feel an impact later that night.
Step your foot into it.
Okay.
Naturally, I gave it a try.
It's just gonna work its way up. So
Okay, yeah. So you feel the pressure at your feet, and now you can feel more pressure kind of moving up.
Yep.
The company says the pulse recovery system is designed to help with circulation, reduce inflammation, and increase blood flow to your muscles. The sleeves fill up with air, causing compression, and then intermittently pulses and releases. The pulsing is unique to Normatec, but there are plenty of other pneumatic leg compresses around.
When I didn't have these, it took me about an hour to warm up. Now it takes about 15, 20 minutes. Changed my life.
You're in the best shape of your life?
I think so, yeah. I'm kind of old, so, you know, these help for old people.
For Good Morning America, Kana Whitworth, ABC News, Los Angeles.
That's good to know they help for old people, since I'm trying out one right now. Jen is back here with this. This is the Normatec sleeve. Tell us a little bit about what makes it work. What medically is going on here?
Right. So first of all, there are a lot of different companies, not just the Normatec, but basically the theory here is that if it's providing graded, sometimes pulsatile, compression in a circumferential manner. So if you look at this incredible model we made to simulate what really is going on below the skin, yellow as skin and fat, pink as muscle, then you have lymph, nerve, artery, vein, and this is squeezing. Think of it like a massage, you know, around the body part. They make them for arms, legs, trunk. Okay, and the theory here is that it's not just bringing away some possible cell metabolites like lactic acid that might make your legs feel heavy or your arm feel sore, but also maybe increasing blood flow and bringing more beneficial mediators to the site. But we need more data on that. Really.
Yeah, because I did something similar when I had my shoulder, like surgery a year ago. It's the same kind of thing. But what's the history behind this?
Well, like so many things in the wellness space, this started really hardcore medically. In the hospital setting, we use things called sequential compression devices in the operating room on legs. Anyone who's been hospitalized or has had surgery may remember those squeezing their legs to prevent blood clots. They're used a lot of times in patients with venous ulcers or bad peripheral circulation of a certain type. So now it's kind of going mainstream for, you know, the pro athlete or just weekend warrior.
Why do you look at me like that?
Pro athlete? Pro athlete?
I'm the or. She couldn't even fill in the blank like or you, Robin. But what are there any cons to this?
Well, yeah, of course, like anything, you want to go for moderation. If you overuse it or apply it with too much pressure or too tightly, there's a potential that it can cause some injury. It can be expensive. If you want to buy one of these bad boys for your house, you're talking about $500. You know, but again, there are some other companies there, and you really don't want to overuse it. Physical therapists and rehabilitation specialists and athletic trainers are using these all the time. I would say they're in every pro locker room and elite team locker room.
I didn't realize they were that popular, but it is. It's almost like a massage, a little bit.
Here, let me do the other one.
Okay, thank you very much.
Which one's better?
I know.
Oh, look at these guns.
Oh, don't even try anymore. Thank you, Jen.